Kublai phi baro kini kilongi khubor bam dagasngi. Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC kalakano ek Sorkar Pdeng halor ke jing e kabrang beteng ha ke NEET bat ke jing plom jing National Testing Agency NTA. Kabala mi ke jing sngokya Pdeng ki samla Pule ki kimi ki pa bat kinong hikai. Habakran shikilat pathai khubora Congress Bhawan Chairman ka social media MPCC ba Elwar ringkat ber working president ba Manuel Badwar ulo ong ba ki jing bakla ba jing yakin ad haki examin kila penja e ka jing shania pat ba ha ka kompanyat examin hakari uba Elwar ulo ong ba ki samla Puli ki dei hok banyo e ka examin ka ba hok ka ba shai ba ka bala ban shania Nrei ki paper leak bad ki jing bambiang ha ka jing penyat ki lakta jor ye kala we jongki Nagaliang uba Manuel Badwar, ulong baka Kongres kayang ringkat bagi samla Pule baka Dawa ke Sorkar Pdeng, ban shim jingkit kle le ting e ya ki badon kti ha ki pepoli bad ban wanra ye ki Jingpynkylla ban penklan ye ko kompanya joka NTA bad ban pen phai biang ye ki jingshania pat ba ha ka benta Pule Puthi
numbers. So let me begin it this way. The NEET leak, paper leak, is just a symptom. I think most of you are aware of what happened in the last 1 month with regards to the leakage of the NEET paper. This was in May, and 5 days after the exam was conducted, it had to be cancelled when a leak was detected. There was a guidebook that was in circulation, and when the investigators checked the data and the information of the guidebook, they realized that almost 60 to 70% of the questions that were being circulated actually were from the main paper. That's the reason. That's the main reason why the NEET exam was cancelled eventually, and it was rescheduled in June. And the numbers are quite staggering, because if you look at the numbers, more than 22 lakh aspirants had to attend this exam, and it was cancelled in May, as I mentioned earlier, because a guest paper circulating in coaching hubs was found to overlap heavily with the real paper. It was reconducted on 21st June 2026 at 5,440 centers across 551 cities and 14 centers abroad, mobilizing hundreds and thousands of personnel. So for us, this repeated leakage of question papers is a great cause of concern. I'm saying this Rahul Gandhi opened his speech in Kota. He said, this is not about the Congress, and he was not going to talk about the Congress or the BJP. This is us, parents, concerned citizens. For example, I'm a third generation teacher here, and my colleague over here, Mr. Bankhra, is a teacher by profession. He runs a school. Manuel has families, right, who are in the teaching profession. Like I said, I'm a third generation teacher. My family has set up 2 schools. We've set up 1 college. And on top of that, almost all my cousins, all my aunts are in the teaching profession. So for us, it's really a cause of concern, because the need, it's just a symptom. The disease, the ailment is somewhere else. And for us, we felt that it's very, very important that that we highlight where the ailments are. And for us to understand where the issues are, we have to look at the numbers.